everyone. My name is Josephine Motioko Ode and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would want to talk to you about a fully functional student registration portal built entirely with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This project started as a simple form but evolved into a complete data management system. The most challenging yet rewarding part was the JavaScript implementation, particularly making everything work in real time without page refreshes. Let me walk you through how the JavaScript make this portal tick. First, there is the form submission handler. This is the heart of the application. When a user fills out the registration form and hits submit, several things happen simultaneously in milliseconds. The JavaScript validates every field. It checks if the name has at least 2 characters, validates the email format, ensures the student's ID is unique, and verifies that password matches. If anything fails, it shows specific error messages right under each field. But here is the clever part. The validation happens as you type. The password field has a real-time string indicator that analyzes your password as you type it. It checks for length, uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters, giving you instant visual feedback with a colored bar that goes from red to green. Once validation passes, the JavaScript creates a student objects form from all the form data and it adds to its global students array. It saves this array to the browser's local storage for persistence and then immediately update the student table at the bottom of the page. This immediate table update was actually the trickiest part to get right, ensuring the user interface reflects the new data instantly without any lag. The table itself is powered by a render function that takes our students' array and dynamically creates table rows. Each student gets a row with their IDs, name, email, course, and action buttons. And speaking of actions, the view button shows a detailed model with all students' information, while the delete button removes them from the system after confirmation. Search functionality is another JavaScript-powered feature. As you type in the search box, it filters the student's array in real time, showing only matches based on name, ID, or email. No server calls needed, as all client-side filtering. Data persistence is handled entirely through local storage. Every time we add, delete, or modify student data, the entire student's array gets saved as a JSON string in the browser. This means users can close their browser, come back days later, and all their data is still there. It's like having a mini database in the browser. Export functionality was a nice addition. With one click, the JavaScript converts our students' array into a CSV file format and triggers a download. This gives users a way to back up their data or use it in other applications like Excel. What I learned most from this project is how powerful JavaScript can be. You don't always need frameworks for data-intensive application. With proper array management, event handling, and DOM manipulation, you can build quite sophisticated systems. The key insight was maintaining a single source of truth, a global students array that all functions work with. Whether you are adding a student, searching, deleting, or exporting, everything works with the same array. The user interface just reflects its current state. This project really solidifies my understanding on how to manage state in a front-end application, handle user interactions smoothly, and create a responsive, intuitive user experience with just web fundamentals. So thank you very much. Sit and enjoy the rest of the video.